This lecture explains different types of presentations suitable for different set of people. Presentations which are suitable for end users are not suitable for project sponsors. This lecture gives a brief overview of recommended presentation templates based on the audience. Once a model is built, it should be explained to project sponsor, product managers, marketing managers, etc. So the text describes explaining the project results to project sponsor, end users and other data scientists. Project sponsor is the person who wants the data science results. Though project sponsors may have technical background, their primary interest is business oriented. So you should discuss your results in terms of the business problem. So these are the major steps that can be followed for presentation creation. The first step is summarize the motivation behind the project, state the project results, back the results with details as needed. So in the case of results, don't talk about your model's performance in terms of precision and recall or other technical metrics, but rather in terms of how it reduced the workload for the model's end users. Then lastly, you should discuss about recommendations, outstanding issues and possible future work. Next is regarding end users. So for a presentation to end users, you should follow this. Summarize the motivation behind the project and its goal. It should be mostly non-technical in nature. Then show how the model fits into the user's workflow. Show how to use the model. This usually involves how the graphical user interface works, how using this model improves the usability of the product as compared to existing ones, etc. It is important that people who will actually be using it have confidence in its output and are willing to adopt it. Otherwise, the model won't be used and your efforts will have been wasted. With the model's end users, it's less important to discuss business motivations and more important to focus on how the model affects them. You will teach the users how to use the model, screenshots of GUIs that they use to interact with the models and screenshot of the model outputs are helpful. Next is regarding presenting to data scientist. So this is more technical in nature compared to the last two ones. So it involves introducing the problem, discussing the related works. It involves mostly the techniques used in other similar research works. Then discussing the approach. It involves mostly the algorithm used. Then give the results and finding. It involves mostly the different metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, etc. Then discussing the future work.